How is your betrayed spouse going to know that you've changed? I mean, does a certain event need to unfold for it to be revealed that you've changed and they can trust you again? I mean, is there a certain amount of time that needs to pass where they go, you know what? So much time has passed and you haven't cheated, so you've changed. I trust you again. How are you going to show them that you've changed when you know or think that you've changed? If you are in this position, this is what this video is about. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video. If this is your first time, I am Coach Michael, 5-star Google rated infidelity recovery specialist. A big reason why I'm so effective with my clients, my students, is because I myself was a serial cheater for over a decade, as well as I was betrayed multiple times in past relationships. I am the creator of the 9 stages of infidelity, discovering root causes of infidelity and curing cheating at the source. Now, moving forward to today's video, how your betrayed spouse is going to know that you've changed. Note this, remember this, practice this, implement this. How they are going to know that is when it's become important to you. It's become not just important, but a priority. Now, I know you may be thinking, hey, wait a second, it is important to me. It is a priority. I'm about to click off this video. I'm about to be out of here. 1 second. Okay? How you know it's important to you first. Know it's important to you first. Are you consistent? Are you doing everything possible? Are you getting uncomfortable? Are you avoiding anything? Because when it comes to making sure that it's important to you and it's a priority, is that nothing gets in the way and that you are consistent and you go all the way in. You're not perfect, but you continue to prioritize what's necessary for you to change. In my coaching system, we focus on changing at the identity level, training the nervous system and rewiring the subconscious mind. These are things that you do on your own in moments of calm and in real life situations with your partner and away from your partner. You train yourself to become a certain person. And this is something that your betrayed spouse will observe you doing time and time again. Even when they don't actually see you doing it, they will experience the changes within you when they are around you. That's how it works. What most unfaithful spouses get wrong is they focus on doing what they think their betrayed spouse needs them to do in order to trust them. But think about how they think. They just see you doing what you think, what they want you to do, not on your own. And even if you're doing it, if they want you to do it and you're doing it, not because you're doing it on your own, but because they asked you to, you see, it's not genuine to them. They go, you know what, that's not real. It's only real when you do it on your own. And if you're not putting it as a priority, meaning you're not consistent, and you're allowing other things to get in the way, you're pushing things back. You're pushing back the disclosure letter. You're pushing back meditations, emotional regulation. You're putting back the communication, the conversations, the quality time together. You keep on rescheduling. Something else comes up at work. You got to go here. You got to go there. I can't do this. There's always something that gets in the way. You see, you have the best intentions, but you allow other things to get in the way. And that breaks the consistency. And without consistency, there can be no stability. And with no stability, there can be no safety. With no safety, there can be no trust. And trust is a must. And so I encourage you, ask yourself, is it important to me enough? Is it important enough that I am actually putting it as a priority? And when it's a priority, you make sure you get it done. If you are in this position and you are ready to Do what it takes to discover your core issues of infidelity and cure them at the source with exactly what to do with the downloadable PDFs, exercises, everything you absolutely need in order to truly change. Check out the 9 Stages method, access to the course and the community below. Hope this video helps. Good luck.